Hello everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I have two looks, one palette using the Huda Obsessions, Emerald Obsessions palette. So this is what this palette looks like here. It's all about the greens and the golds and the khakis and the Irish type of feel. So I have two looks with you guys. As you guys know, I am doing all four palettes, two looks, one palette. Then I'm going to do a full rounded review of all four palettes. And then I have amazing ideas on Instagram that I should mix and match some of the palettes. So you'll see those eventually as well. So you're here for two looks, one palette. So let's get on with the first look. All right, you guys. So we are here to do look number one using now the Emerald Obsessions palette. I hope by now you already saw the ruby one. And I still have the amethyst and the sapphire, I think it's called. So today we're going to use the emerald as the first one. Here is what the palette looks like. I know a few have mentioned that the mattes, at least these down here, were a little bit patchy and things. So we're going to use those and I'm going to continue to use them to see how I feel about them. So because of that, I think we're going to go with a deep shade today. So like a deep look. So I'm going to grab this one right here and we're going to use that in our crease to start out with. Let's see. This one actually looks more like a khaki brown, green. Yeah, see that? So let's start out slowly and build this up. All right, so I built that one up. It actually isn't too bad. Yeah, I went slowly with it and I only did it one time, so we'll see how it wears throughout the day. Now, with the next one, I'm gonna use this matte one, but I'm gonna use that one more closer to the actual crease part of my eye. So we're going to go ahead and place that there. Alright, so that's what it's looking like right now. It's actually not bad at all. Okay, so for the actual eyelids. Oh, should I go with this one? I'm debating on which green to go with. For the actual lid itself, I'm going to go with this one right here. And we're going to pack this one on. I'm going to use our finger first, just to get things done faster. For the inner part of it, I'm going to go with this one right here, this green one. I just want to kind of change it up a little bit and see. They play nicely. For the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with this khaki color right here. And I'm putting this on the lower lash line. Then in the inner corner, I want to do this gold shade right here. Okay, so I'm going to do my waterline, you know, the usual, the liner up at the top, the lashes, mascara, and then we'll come back and you guys can see the final look with the lips on. So here's the final look for look number 1. Now stay tuned for the second look using the Emerald Obsessions palette. Alright guys, so we're here for look number 2 using the Emerald Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty. So for the first shade, I'm going to start out with this shade right here. I'm going to try to use shades that I haven't used yet. I'm going to put this right here on the crease. It's such a pretty shade actually. For the outer V, I'm going to go back into this matte green shade. This one I want it to be more of a brighter look than I did the first look. The first look was a bit more dark and sultry. This one I want to be more bright. For the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this shade, and then for most of the lid, I'm going to use this one since I haven't used those two. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this center green right here and concentrate that on the lower lash line. Alright, so I'm going to do the wing liner, mascara, everything on my eyeballs, and then we'll come back and see the final look. Alright you guys, so this is the second look using the Emerald Obsessions palette. This is what the actual palette looks like. I believe I used every shade in this palette as well. I hope you guys have been enjoying this. I think I have the blue and the purple left. So those are the last two that you will see eventually, 2 looks on palette, and then I'm going to do a roundup of all 4 palettes because I am still using them on my everyday life just to really get a feel of them, to really give you a really good well-rounded review. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.